Alright, hey guys, we're back in Namba, and I know I was just here last week, and I noticed last week that the animal cafes were open, and I've been wanting to go there for a long time now, but because of the fourth or fifth wave, some of these animal cafes have been closed. So I'm planning to go to a bunch of them today, and I know these animal cafes are really popular with people, so I'm gonna go check one out right now, and hopefully they're open. There's like a theater. Summer Special 2021. I think this is some sort of special thing going on here. A lot of people are taking pictures. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so it looks really deserted. Today's Saturday, and usually this place is so filled with people, but so filled. There's a lot of people here, but it seems like there's nobody here. It's a big camera. There's Taco Bell. Yeah, it seems like less people out nowadays. Alright, before we go, my girlfriend wanted to come and check this place out, so we're gonna go inside and look around. So my girlfriend said there's a final sale going on, and it looks like they're pretty much closing out this whole place here. I'm not sure if another new store is gonna come inside, but it looks like this all over the place, where a lot of stores are closing down in Japan. Alright, here's the place. I think it's open. Look at how steep these stairs are. Oh my goodness. I think we're a little late. $8 for Shiba. The pig one is closed because of the pandemic, I guess. I guess maybe they're easy to catch. I have no idea, but so they got a little shop here as well. Another Shiba. I thought, yeah, it seems like these Shiba Inu cafes are really popular. Get merchandise, you can get a bag, get the pigs. Here's the pig one, but it's closed. They said they don't know when they're gonna open again. Oh, you can hear the pigs. But I don't think I go inside. No. Yeah, you can't. Oh, they have pigs and cats. Oh, that would have been so cool. Sorry, guys. Look at how steep the stairs are. Here's the backside to the river. We gotta watch this video before we go in. This is kind of like the other one too. I like how they don't have music here though. Oh, looks so sad. This place is the same as the Kyoto one, because they all have the same signs outside and everything. This old school TV in the back here. These dogs are more playful than the one in Kyoto. I don't think they're gonna let you. I don't think they're gonna let you pet them. 4, 5, 6. There's like 7. That one gets on top of that guy's back. Interesting. Ooh, this one? Some of them won't let you pet them. But they're all very nice. They're very nice. See this one? They all walk away from me. Come on. Take the ball. In the corner. I get this one to let me pet him or her. So many of them here. Don't touch the ball. They have all the names up here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Got about 15 dogs. I don't think that one's a Shiba Inu though. One's name is... I thought I saw edamame. No, it's not edamame. Alright, so that's where the dog cafe is. You can kind of see the picture up there. So basically, I was really excited to go to the pig cafe because I've been to a Shiba cafe before in Kyoto, and I'll try to find the video for that one and I'll put in the link down below. And I think it's the same company because they all the advertisement outside and the store inside, they look very similar, so I think it's the same company. But they said that because of the pandemic, they don't know when they're going to reopen the pig cafe again. But I noticed that too, like here in the other cafe, that the dogs, they don't like being petted unless you're like there with enough time, or they kind of get to know you like people, because like I think they just get used to people just coming in and out for like 30 minutes. And yeah, you kind of have to sit with them, and you have to kind of just be there for a little bit of time, then they'll open up a little bit. So some of the dogs let me pet them. I thought it was fun. There was a lot of people in there, there was a lot of dogs, but yeah, I was really more excited for the pigs, and then it's not open right now. So I hope you enjoyed watching that video. This video is going to be a little bit short, and then we're going to go on to another animal cafe, but I think it might be closed, so we'll try to see how it is. And yeah, thank you for coming along with me, and see you later.